Okay, so this morning we got another 4 or 5 inches of snow. No big deal. Started the snow blower, worked just fine until I got to the sidewalk. And then I heard a couple of clanging sounds, and I thought I hit some ice maybe. And then the noise continued. And then I knew something was wrong at the front. And then when I tilt up the snow blower, I saw the auger got separated from the sleeve of the output shaft. The auger assembly here broke up here as well. So I'll see if I can weld it together, but it's difficult to hold it in place. So I'm doing the best I can with this Temu welder. So just like on this side, this is welded onto this. Okay, so I spot welded the auger together. The rest of the auger, this part here, is spot welded on anyway, but this part separated. So I just use a Temu welder to spot weld here all over. A very horrible welding job, but I think it should hold. Yeah, you can see what a horrible job I did. So after I finish blowing the snow and when the weather is better, but I'll grind down the weld so it should look better. Again. The auger is turning and not hitting the ground, so that's a good thing. Definitely have to brush up on my welding with this Temu. The welding rod kept sticking and I have to break it off. So at least it worked on the snow blower. All right, thanks for watching.